want to show you guys really quickly how I save gas using both GasBuddy and GetUpside.
Open the apps and choose your location. Make sure it's the same location on both apps. Do not check in on GetUpside. Use your GasBuddy card to pay at the pump and make sure you get a receipt. Drive away.
So once I drive away, I will use this receipt. So for the GasBuddy, I can just clear it out. But for GetUpside, even though we drove away, we want to check in, very bottom. And it says, are you at this location now? Just say yes, and it will give you the opportunity to upload the receipt.
If you're not far enough away, it won't let you upload it.
Voila! You just saved double on gas.